Hello, and let's start from the main topic of the video, the fourth principle of Agile Manifesto that sounds like this. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. It's a very straightforward principle. It basically means that business people and developers should have not only an opportunity to contact each other easily, it says that they actually need to work together on a daily basis. Even without any specific details, this principle is telling us how we need to organize processes in agile teams. We need to avoid separating business and development activities. We need to aim for such a synergy when business and development teams are doing things together. Of course, it doesn't mean that business should write code and developers should do the business, but hey, if you look at the things in such a way, well, why not? I believe we can agree that it would be really very nice if every businessman can write software for his business and every software engineer understand business on the MBA level. It doesn't mean that they just need to do it, but it would be really very nice. What I mean is that it would be beneficial for both sides if, while working with requirements, let's say from analysis of the business side, some of the developers actually participate in that process, so that developers can clarify more information in places where needed, so that developers eventually can see what are the reasoning behind this or those solutions and asks from business. Eventually, so that developers understand where an actual value is in business and how to support it better from the software part. And while developing software, some business people actually can and should participate in the development process, as it also will help understand what are the technical reasons for choosing this or those approaches. And if needed, business people can actually influence decisions done by developers or change requirements on the fly. Sometimes it's hard to organize such a cohesive existence of business and technical people, so there is a lot of different practices, tools and instruments for that. For example, in Scrum, one of the variants of Agile adoptions, they have a role of a product owner, a dedicated person to represent business to the team, so that the team can get the answers to their questions ASAP. Also, product owner is communicating continuously with other business stakeholders to deliver them updates from the development team and etc. Also, speaking about Scrum methods, backlog refinement sessions, sprint reviews, demos, these are all the techniques that are helping with staying in touch with each of the other side. You just need to organize these meetings and communicate it in a productive way, so that people in both sides could really do their day-to-day work and not be on a call for a whole day just because of these meetings. If you are working not by Scrum, but still want to be agile, because Scrum is just one of the examples, think about how you can actually bring business and developer people together. Don't let them communicate only in text format via the messages. No, actually try to bring all of them to work in one space, in one meeting room, in something cohesive, not just the text messages. Try organizing some synchronization meetings, I don't know, for questions and answers, workshops. Work closely with the business management team to visualize their working schedule, so developers will understand that, yeah, unfortunately, on Monday, business people are very, very busy, but on maybe Tuesday, you can have an hour or even 2 hour window of time that they can work all together, or even for a whole day on Thursday. Whatever, just check it. If only having the fourth principle of Agile Manifesto to convince everyone in such a need is not enough, you can try to support your arguments with calculating cost of delay that is coming from waiting over final business approval, or cost of mistakes that are coming in the cases when business people and development have not enough opportunities to clarify important details. In the majority of cases, the cost of such delays or cost of such mistakes will be higher than the cost of additional 2 hours meeting. And by the way, more details about how to facilitate such meetings to keep everyone productive will be covered in upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notifications. And for now, we are done with the fourth principle of Agile Manifesto. See ya!